to open Snaps on a Snapchat Wave. On today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to open the Snaps on the Wave version on Snapchat, but make sure to watch the video till the end so that at the end of the video you will get an idea to open Snaps on Snapchat Wave. So without any further ado, let's get started. To open the Snaps on Snapchat Wave, you have to just open any preferred browser on your PC or laptop. And on the web address bar, just click on it and type in snapchat.com. Press enter on your keyboard. So as you can see, this is the Snapchat web version where you can easily use the Snapchat on your PC or laptop. But there are certain limitations on this web version of Snapchat. That is, you can chat or send pictures to any chat users easily, but you cannot open snaps on a Snapchat web version. If you go and open any chat and start opening the snaps, let's click on any snaps to open it, but as you can see that we cannot do it because Snapchat does not allow to open the snaps on a web version. So it's only available on your mobile app. So you need to open the snaps on your mobile apps. So that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, subscribe and press the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. First of all, just you have to open the Meta Business Suite on your device. Once you open it and log into your Facebook page, you just have to see on this left panel and go to the settings icon, which is at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you open it under accounts, you will see the option of pages. Just click on pages. And here you will see all the list of your pages that is login or sign in on your Meta Business Suite. Then what you have to do here is simply select the Facebook page that you want to remove from Meta Business Suite. And once you have selected, just you have to right click on this Facebook page on Meta Business Suite, or you just have to open it. And once you open it, this another bar will open where at the right corner you will see three dots. Simply click on the three dots, and on this drop down menu box, you will see the option to remove from business portfolio. Simply you can click on it and easily remove this Facebook page from Meta Business Suite. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.